How to make shirts. First you go auto draw. See auto draw. Go to auto draw. Then go fill here. Then you go to draw. Any color. I'll go for I can't think. I know what. This is gonna be easy and people are gonna like it. Mom is fat. Is no wait no. I'll make it like way cooler. Like is then fat, the capital one, and the main one is go, and the D go here, go, and straight line down. Okay, this is too much. Straight line down, straight line down, straight line down, and another straight line down. Okay, go here. Okay, here. Okay, let's see. Okay, then I just have to. Okay, you go to here, right? Then you go to you go to download. It needs to be when you start off. Okay, download. Okay, it's down here. Oh, you know it's right here. I'll post it right here. Go to my file finder. Go send this in here. Okay, I just press the wrong button. Hit both. Okay, that's nice. Just one goes date. I don't want to move to bin. This is the best. Okay, once you go right, you go to wait. Just now I just put it in my finder. Okay, just put it inside my finder. So go avatar. So here, right? This is my current shirt. Go to create. Okay. Okay, let's just go and start first. Okay. Okay. Go to shirt. Okay, can choose file. Then someone stop me. Okay, this is so cool. This is your mom is fat. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. Oh. No. Nice. Non-toxic shirt. Yay! I'll use this nice. Hey, Adik, you want to use this nice non-toxic shirt? It's not toxic, okay, everybody? Just don't take it toxic. What? Okay, I'll try redraw. Okay, this is how it was. I did something, didn't I? Okay, what's happening? What's happening? Nothing's happening. I have to change it. I have to change it again. Wait, I'll just download it. Easy. mommy's fat. I just really might find it again. Here. Wait, talking to this dog. I don't get what's happening to this thing. I drew. This is so bad. Ah! I have to. How much more do you? Let's go. That is how you do it then. So bye bye.